Hey guys, it's Erica from Erica Marie Plans. Welcome back to my channel for another oh my gosh, another memory plan with me. Um, I know this video is late. I did say I was gonna post a video every single day, and I couldn't even do that. So I am so sorry. But I have this video up now for you guys. I have it up early. So since I did miss yesterday, yesterday was just like it was not a rough day, honestly. It was actually a really good day. But I really wanted to enjoy my day, and I didn't have time to do this voiceover once I got off work. So that is why it was not uploaded yesterday. But I have it up now. You guys will have two videos up today. The next plan with me, I will have live late tonight. Um, I'm hoping around like 8 o'clock my time, so 8 o'clock PST. So look out for that. I know it's kind of late and I know it's like a Sunday, but I just want to make sure I have my videos in order because I do have that special video going up tomorrow, Monday at I think it's 11 a.m. PST, maybe 10 a.m. PST. I need to check. But I'm really excited for that video to go live tomorrow. So here I am just putting down the base. This week I'm using a kit from SPC called Pirates. I had plans on using this kit back in July when I planned out my kits early this year because in July my friend and I were going to go to Disney. Gabby and I had planned this out like a year in advance and obviously could not do that this year. So I definitely wanted to make room for it, just because I really like this kit. And Pirates is my all-time favorite ride at Disneyland. So yeah. All right, so let's go ahead and get started in the day by day. This was a mini kit, so this was before she did her reformat, and I know she's doing another big reformat that she'll reveal tomorrow. So I had to definitely pull in some of the boxes in my collection, which was nice because I have so many of them and I never use them. So that's what I had to do this week. But the first thing I marked on Monday is that I woke up early. I think I woke up early. Oh, yeah. This was the week before we left to go back to California. And for some odd reason this week, my dog, Pence, he would wake up at 7 a.m. exactly, like on the hour every single day this week, and it was so annoying. So I had to wake up with him. So I used a wake up early script from Kinsey's Creations, and then I also took out the trash, which is like not my chore to do. It's usually Dean's chore, but it was just building up, and he just wasn't doing it, so I needed to go do it. And then I did some laundry this day. I didn't work this Monday, so I definitely took the day to like clean, which is what I'm going to be doing today as well. I haven't had a day off in a week. And then the last time I had a day off, we were like traveling. So I feel like I have been working nonstop the past almost 3 weeks now. So, did laundry this day. The laundry script is from Letters to Apollo. I also had a Bones binge. The Bones script is also from Letters to Apollo, and the TV is from Right Brain Paper Co., which is no longer open. I've been saying that, so I'm probably not going to say that anymore, but I've been saying that in the last few Plant With Me's. And then I also filmed some videos this day. The sticker, or I used a munchkin from like this exclusive sheet from SPC and a film script from SPC. Also had some cuddle time with my dogs this day. The girl and the dog is from Stick with the Plan Co. and the script is from Letters to Apollo. Also for dinner this day we had pot pies. I used a pie sticker from Once More with Love, and then we watched Dexter, and then we also DoorDashed some crumble. I think I actually DoorDashed it, which I never DoorDash crumble. It's usually Dean that does it, but I was really craving their new like toffee cookie that they had. So I'm actually going to try and recreate that today. I'm going to be baking some cookies. And then for dinner, we had late night mac and cheese, which is just our favorite our favorite Trader Joe's frozen mac and cheese. I love that one. I like the guilt-free one. Like I think it's not fat-free. I thought it was gluten-free when I first got it, but it's definitely not. So it definitely doesn't help me. And then we started watching Mindhunters again. This is our third attempt at trying to watch Mindhunters. This time has been sticking. We're almost done with season one. But we needed a new show because we knew we were going to be finishing Dexter this week. Moving on into Tuesday, I'm so sorry, I'm like so behind now. I did have another Bones binge. The girl is from GP Studio. Also filmed A Plan With Me. That script is from Letters to Apollo. And then I was just super upset. I used a Mad AF script from Letters to Apollo as well, which is my all-time favorite $2 Tuesday she's ever come out with. My computer and my iMovie just were not working. I could not airdrop any of my videos I filmed, and I was getting so upset because I had pre-filmed all these videos and couldn't upload them or edit them or anything like that. So I was getting so frustrated. Obviously figured it out because I've been uploading. So that's the day it like all started. And then we watched Dexter at the end of the night, and I cooked some dinner. I don't remember what I cooked, but I used a cooked script from Station Stickers, which by the time this video is uploaded, her sale is still going on. She's having 15% off. The code, you can actually use my code to receive the 15% off as well, rather than I think it's not the PBC sale. It's another group sale, but you can use my code, just my name, Erica, Erika, and you can get 15% off of your order. Okay, moving on into Wednesday. I woke up early once again because Pence woke up early. The Wake Up Early script is from Right Brain Paper Co. and I used I think it's a munchkin or an emoji. I don't remember. Also had a tummy ache this day, and then I also watched the Paris Hilton documentary. So I used the sticker from Planning World to mark that. It was actually really good. I still haven't finished. I think I have like 15 minutes left, but I really, really liked it. And then I had a headache this day. This day was just not a good day. I was in a lot of pain. The headache script is from Kinsey's Creations, and the girl is from Stick with the Plan Co. Also took a nap, which I don't really do often, but I definitely needed it before work. And then we had a pizza night and ended our night with watching Dexter. And then moving on into Thursday, again, Team No Sleep. That sticker is from Letters to Apollo. Pence woke up super early. Actually, this day, I remember the night before, I was like, okay, Pence, I know I talked to my dog. I was like, you cannot wake up at 7 o'clock, wake up at 7:30. I want those extra 30 minutes. I swear to you, he woke up exactly at 7:30. I looked at my phone like, oh my God, that's so weird. And Dean and I were just like, what the heck? Because he was there when I had told him to wake up at 7:30. So it was such a weird thing, but we got an extra 30 minutes this day, but it still was not enough. And then I made breakfast this day and took another nap before work. And then I had a meeting. It was just like my every other week meeting, which ended up being like a 2 week break. I didn't have a meeting again until yesterday. So that was like a weird break, but had my meeting with my team lead, and then we ended our night with watching Dexter, and this was the day we finished it. So I used a facepalm sticker from Fox and Cactus because I was not too happy with the ending. I'm like, they definitely could have done more. And then 2 days ago is when they released that they were going to be doing another season, which I am so excited for. And then we DoorDash oreganos for dinner because we didn't really have much food and didn't want to go grocery shopping since we were going to be traveling this weekend. And then we were playing with the dogs. We were playing hide and seek with the dogs, which was so fun. We've never done that before. And Pence definitely does not come off as the smartest dog, but he's the one that found us every single time. Lala is just a very ditzy dog, apparently. Moving on into Friday, I finally had my doctor's appointment. That script is from Station Stickers, and I also had to do some blood work, which I absolutely hate. Even the thought of needles makes me want to cry. Like, I hate needles, but this was the best blood work job I've had done before. I did not cry, and I really didn't feel much, so that was so nice. And then since I didn't cry, I allowed myself to go get Dunkin' Donuts. Did pick up a donut, and actually picked up 3 donuts and ate them all. I'm a donut fiend. I love donuts. And then picked up some coffee. And then I had a bones binge before work. After work, I gave the dogs a bath because I wanted them to be clean while we were traveling, and we watched Mine Hunters. Moving on into Saturday. Okay, I'm finally catching up. Saturday, I slept in. I didn't have to work until noon, which was so nice. So I slept in until like 11:15, and then I decided to get ready. And then I made some coffee this day and did some laundry because I wanted everything clean and washed before we left. And then went outside and picked up the poop, which took me 45 minutes to pick up the poop. There was so much dog poop out there. And I also filmed, I think, 3 videos this day because I wanted to have all these videos pre-filmed before leaving. And I didn't even upload them when I got to my dad's house because my computer was giving me problems and the internet really sucks over there. So I think I only uploaded like 2, maybe 3 videos while I was there. And then we packed and just had a late night because we wanted to just, or not we, I'm sorry, me. I'm I love coming home to a clean house, and so I wanted everything cleaned. And we had just had a late night of cleaning the whole house and getting everything all packed. Moving on into Sunday, we wanted to leave super early, but me, just from having a late night, I needed to sleep in. So I slept in until like 9 o'clock. No, maybe I think it's 8 o'clock. So we were on the road at 9. So I slept until 8, and then I think I was able to film one more video before leaving. And then we were off to our road trip. It took us, I think, 13 and a half, maybe 14 hours to get home, which isn't too bad. So we just added an extra 2 hours, which is kind of understandable because we need to get gas, we need to stop for the dogs, get food. So it was a good trip home. And then we ended up getting McDonald's because we ended up getting hungry at like I don't know, like 10 o'clock and everything was closed. So we just got McDonald's. And then this day I had to say bye to Lala. She went with Dean to stay at his parents' house and she was so sad. I've never seen her sad like over me. Me and her, we butt heads a lot. But she was really sad. I was really sad too, not seeing her. And then I had some family time with my dad and my sister Emily and our dog Max. Oh, just saying his name makes me like want to cry. But you'll see in the next plan with me. It's going to be a very hard plan with me to film the next video later today. But yeah, just had some family time with them 3, and then me and Pence hanging out with everyone. We didn't get home till like midnight, but it was nice kind of like hanging out with them for like an hour before going to sleep because I did have to work pretty early the next day. But yeah, here is my full spread. Here's a little wiggle. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Stay tuned for my next 2 videos, one later on today and one tomorrow, and I will see you guys next time. All right, bye guys.